when we talk about sustainability, if you're throwing away a lot of wafers and using a lot of chemicals, not good from a sustainable point of view. But if you could create that model and now be able to drive it and do all the optimizations up front, you start to be able to hit yield a lot faster and be more sustainable that way. Then you could actually, once you're in the factory producing products, by the fact we have technology that allows you to measure what's happening during manufacturing, you could start taking that information and now trying to feed that back into the design aspect and now produce better libraries, better methodologies based on real-time manufacturing data. And what we're creating now is this loop of going from the virtual world, bringing up products and finding issues in the virtual world first, addressing those and fixing them all before we ever start manufacturing. So we now optimize the manufacturing process. And then in the real world, start collecting real data that we could use to analyze where we're at, analyze how to improve things in the future, and feed that back to produce better libraries, better tools as we move forward.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.